Today I have a homemade seafood boil. Look at this lobster tail. The mussels. My crab legs are not cooperating today, but it's okay. Look at that. Y'all, this is probably one of the best homemade seafood boils I've made in a minute. Like, this is really good. I kind of forgot about the shrimp this time.